Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you, the crazy stuff that you encounter in forex trading. As you can see, I don't know if you can see there. Yes, you can see my account is actually negative there, but I actually have some $5 equity there because of this, and I think there is a credit from the broker as well. How this actually happened was actually on a Friday, non-farm payroll. So non-farm payroll on Friday, I was actually busy testing a forex robot that I've been working on. That's what I do. If you follow me on my other channel, we are busy creating these forex robots for free, no coding required. So you basically can use the EA builders that are available online, and you can turn your strategy into a forex robot. So the good thing about the broker that I use, I always tell you guys, is you can load your account with just $5, and then you can test these robots to see if the robots are going to work or if they are not going to work. So that's pretty much what I do. I take the robots, I give them $5, and just test them in real life market conditions. So that's what particularly happened on a Friday non-farm payroll. I am working on a robot that I'm hoping will be able to trade news. So what actually happened was I plugged the robot on gold. If you followed the news that came out on non-farm payroll, so the robot actually ended up overloading a number of positions on gold. And if you followed non-farm payroll on Friday, it did not just drop. Of course, the news was very, very, very positive for the dollar. So gold and all the other stuff that we trade against the dollar was expected to drop. So the robot went in and placed a massive number of sells. But unfortunately, this time round, gold did not just drop. If you followed it on Friday, it actually danced around a bit. So the robot actually got stopped out. It sold a number of positions around this area, but unfortunately gold did not just drop. It danced around. Let me just go to 15-minute time frame. There was a bit of dancing around. I think we had a number of trades around this zone, and it danced around, probably around this area 1975, because I was watching this 1975 level. So a number of trades that were placed here, the robot placed a number of trades around this area here, but that was enough for when gold did this. All these trades were enough to get me off balance. So you know what happens when you reach margin call, the broker closes all the trades. So that's what they did, and lo and behold, the next thing that comes in is this candle here, and gold, well, you see what happened on gold. So that's what happened. Fortunately, I think whilst the robot was placing those massive amounts of sales on gold, I just decided, let me just manually place some sales on silver as well, because usually what happens is whatever happens on gold, usually silver might take its time, but it will eventually follow suit. So I just placed these two sales as well on silver, and I did not think much of it. Only when my positions were taken out and I discovered that the account has been blown by this robot. The robot, I'm still going to work on it. I think it was okay. It's just that the number of trades that it placed, and for the $5 that I was testing it with, it wasn't enough for this spike up here. This is the spike that got me a margin call. So yeah, all the gold positions were removed by the broker because of margin call, and only what remained actually was the two trades that I had placed manually. So that's why I am in actually this funny scenario here. This funny scenario here where the account is actually negative, and I'm actually quite positive in terms of equity because of this. But yeah, I'm just interested to see what's going to happen with this account, just to see if my target, I think, is around this 22,500 level here. That's probably a good target. So I'm hoping for a drop. Let's see if silver is going to drop and actually come to around this area here, and probably we see if the account that was dead can come back to the world of the living, because basically here what I have is a zombie account. It's practically dead, but it's alive. A funny story. This happens in trading all the time. I'm not saying this is something spectacular. It happens in trading all the time. So yeah, I just thought let me share with you guys this funny video that I have, the funny situation that I have with one of the accounts that I use to test my forex robots. So yeah, just hold on silver. I mean, this is not my daily trading account. This is for testing robots. I would just be interested to see what is going to happen on silver. Maybe we are going to come and test this area here, or we're actually going to come and be taken out at break even there. It really doesn't much matter to me. It's an account that I just use for trading robots. But yeah, I thought let me just share with you this funny video. Look, it's now 372. So before we made this video, so there's a chance that it was actually around $4. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. If anything happens, if we eventually come to this level, I'll be logging in and logging out of this account just to see what happens to it. But yeah, let's just see what happens with this zombie trading account. Are we going to come to around this level here? And from negative 85 cents actually maybe control some equity of some $10 or something like that. That would be the funniest thing, I guess. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Go ahead and like the video. Leave your comments in the comment section below. What do you think? Maybe I should just close this trading this trades. Look, now 392. Maybe I might just close it and bank this $4 so that I can continue testing my robots. Or maybe you also want to see what is going to happen with this situation that we have here, whether we are going to get taken out here, or maybe we might actually end up making $10 out of minus 85 cents. Funny situation. If you're looking to download free forex robots, indicators, trading courses, everything that we do on this channel is for free. See the links in the description box below. I also link the channel that I use where I share how we turn forex strategies into trading robots for free, without doing any coding whatsoever. So if you're interested in turning your strategy into a forex robot as well, maybe you can try it out and see if you can be able to do that. So otherwise guys, this is what I had in today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.